Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have permission, now act. Open the Discord app or web client and pick the server you will link. Once selected, click the server name, choose Server Settings, then Integrations. This area centralizes webhooks, bots, and third-party links. Make sure you have another browser tab ready for the service you'll connect, for example, Twitch or a custom webhook provider, because you will copy and paste credentials between windows in the next steps. Next, choose the integration type that fits your goal. If you pick a webhook, create one and copy its URL. If you add a bot, follow the OAuth authorize flow and grant manage channels or send messages as needed. Once authorized, assign the bot or webhook to a specific channel, set a minimal role with the right permissions, and save. Make sure to test the permissions by sending a test message or using the integration's test button to confirm messages arrive correctly. Finish by verifying the connection with a real test. Post an announcement, stream notification, or use the integration's test option. If messages fail, inspect channel permission overwrites and role hierarchy. Discord enforces top-down role priority. Once done, tweak notification settings so you don't flood users. Set opt-in channels when needed. If problems persist, regenerate the webhook or reauthorize the bot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.